You can always tell when someone grew up with strict parents because I had this friend when I was younger, and the first time he came over to my house, we went into my room to play video games, and after he walked in, I asked him to shut the door, but he looked at me as if I just asked him if he wanted to rob a bank, and then he was like, "You can do that?" So I was like, "Yeah, of course. That's what doors do. They shut." Then he was like, "No, but I mean your parents won't get mad if you shut the door?" Then he said something that was hilarious, but also really sad at the same time, which was, "Last time I tried shutting my bedroom door, my parents got so angry that they took the door out of the wall, and now I don't have one anymore." Then he showed me a picture of his room, and he literally doesn't have a door anymore. But the worst part was my mom heard him say this, so she used this as a reason to be like, "See, Tyler, aren't I such a cool parent for letting you have a door?" And I was like, I think that's pretty normal, Mom. But yes, you are the best.